Alright, in this episode I will be replacing this toilet stop. I got a funny story. This house is actually over 120 years old. The lady, when I first arrived, asked me if I believe in haunted houses. I instantly got the chills. I was like, maybe, I don't know what the right answer is if any ghosts are listening, but pretty much I kind of brushed it off and started going over the job and everything. But anyway, the reason I brought that up, I'll tell you here in a little bit. And then another thing I wanted to address was why I cut that valve off like I did. My initial plan was to just unsweat it. I realized there was a bunch of insulation under the floor, so I didn't want to keep going down that road and end up burning the house down. So I decided to just cut it off, scrape this solder off, sand it down, and then use a compression stop instead. But in the process, so the whole time this pipe was, almost falling down on the floor. It wasn't supported. There wasn't any way to support it underneath because the ceiling was finished. So the whole time I was just holding my breath here. I was prepared to cut the ceiling if I had to. I didn't want to. But anyways, you can see here that nut is like almost flush with the floor there. And I put that pipe dope on there just because this old man told me one time to do it, and ever since then I never had one leak. So I don't know if it really does anything. It probably doesn't, but it's more of a I guess I just do it because it's like good luck, pretty much. I don't know, whatever, you can say what you want about it. But anyway, so the whole time this nut's flush with the floor. I go to get parts, I come back, and I promise you this pipe is pushed out of the floor and solid as a rock. I thought someone was playing a joke on me. Nobody knows how it got like that. It gave me the chills. I pretty much grabbed my tools and ran out of there. But there you have it, the toilet stop.